Alright guys, so welcome to today's video, and in today's video we are going to, well, put an end to this tower defense series, at least for now. So I'm going to pause this series, of course, and I'm going to work on another series. So I'm thought about working on a basic Lua scripting series, guys. So those are my plans for the future. And in today's video, I just would like to do some minor stuff. So I wanted to add the towers from our noob map game to this one in order to make them summonable. Okay. And yeah. So let's work on that. And I also have some other plans which we are going to realize in this video as well. Alright, so first of all, do the following. So within this game, you can open up this towers folder, and as you guys should know from the summoner video, this summoner just automatically recognizes what towers are inside of this folder, and then just chooses them out, and just does this summon code, summon function whatsoever. So in order to add some new towers to it, we are just going to go to our noob map. So you guys cannot see it, but I'm currently at the noob map, and you have to clone the towers out from that noob map. So we have made 4 new towers. So I'm gonna add them. And there we go. So that's actually the way on how you add new towers to the summoner. So let me play this game and let me see if this has worked. Summon. Yeah, as you can see, all of the, wait, how many? Yeah, all of the 7 spots right here have been filled up with some towers, and you can now summon for them. Okay, I currently do not have enough gems, apparently. So let me give some infinite gems right here. Yeah, there we go. Now, multi-summon. There we go. Kuzan. Zoro. Tachi. Naruto. Nami. Yeah, now let's check out our inventory to see if those towers have been added to our inventory. And as you can see, they are inside of our inventory. Alright, so that's the way on how you add new towers to the summoner. Now, the next thing I have read about is that people want to have a, well, oh no, they want to separate the cache from the lobby, no, from the noob map, to the one from the lobby, okay? So that you have 2 different cache values, cache stats, so that the cache from the noob map is only available within that session, you know? So that we make it unable to be saved. Yeah, and we can surely do that. So all you gotta do is that you go inside of your server script service right here, and then to where it says tower, and then just remove this cache value. And since this whole saving process is automatic, you can just leave it as it is. Okay, so I think that I have done everything I wanted to do inside of this lobby. Now I'm gonna publish it, so you cannot see this one either, but I have just published it. Now let me switch over to the noob map, and then we are going to do some changes in that one. Alright, here we are. So I've just cloned them out, as you can see. Okay. So now, let's go inside of our tower script right here. And yeah, there we go. Yeah, so the issue is that we have all of these values right here, which are directly stored inside of the player, and the saving thing, or the saving process, works by looping through the player and then just putting every instance inside of it. Yeah, so those instances are of course our values right here. But the issue is that now we have to change the cache parent, means we have to do all of the other changes as well, because changing the parent of this established system, let's say, means that those other scripts do not know about the new parent. Therefore, we will run into errors, okay? So I have two options now. You have option one, I'll leave it as it is. Second option, I'll change the parent to something else. But then we will experience issues with, yeah, many scripts. Yeah, so that's actually a little bit difficult now. I think that I'm gonna do another option. So I'm probably going to change... No. No. No, I have another idea. So I'm just adding this filter right here. There we go, okay. So that's the solution for our problem. So I have added this filter, as you can see. And yeah. So this filter basically checks for those instances which have been put within the save function. So as you know, we have an argument right here, and we put every instance within this argument, and we are checking for the arguments, aka the instance's name. So if the instance is called leader stats, no, is not called leader stats and is not called cache, then we can continue down here. Okay, so that's all about this cache issue. But I think that we have now made another issue. But I'm not sure. Let me clone this one. Where is it? Yeah. Let me clone this cache, okay? Because I think that we have done a mistake. So let me go back to this lobby right here. Okay, so undo the step where I have deleted the cache instance creating code. Okay, so undo that step within the towers within the tower script. Yeah, because by making the cache unable to save within the game, the session, it does not have any influence or effect on the cache which is inside of the lobby, okay? So therefore it is unnecessary to delete the cache creating code within the lobby. Also, I think that this tower shop we have next to the summoner only works with cache as far as I can remember. So it has been months now, do not judge me. But yeah, so I think that this one only works with cache. Okay, so after you have made these changes, we can now work on some other things. So I could create another lobby within this 12 minutes left. I think that I'm actually going to do that. So I think that I'm going to create another map. And then just show you how to add other maps. Okay, so as you guys just have seen, you have to right click, okay? Right click on this Asset Manager Places tab, and then a little window appears. You guys cannot see it because my recording program does not recognize it, but you now have to click on Add New Place, and then this new place right here is being added, and then you have to right click on this one and then rename it to the map's name. I'm gonna call it Boss Map, and now we could actually do the following. So we could hit File and then Publish to Roblox as, and then go to your Animate Tower Defense game and then go to boss map. So we are basically overwriting the empty base plate with this one, okay? With this map, and more importantly, this whole setup game. So with all of the instances in place, with all of the scripts in place, okay? So that's more important than that map, okay? So let's publish this place, of course, and then let's go inside of the boss map place to edit it. Oh no, we are currently at the boss map place. Yeah, okay, then we are able to, yeah, just continue our work. Okay, so let's work on a completely new map. Okay. So this map right here is going to be pretty unrealistic, but still gonna do it, so it is going to look like hell. Alright. Of course, this map is not going to be a super cool, super detailed map, you know, so what are you expecting? So I'm just creating some basic stuff for you just to show you the way you have to go through, just show you the way you have to head to. Okay, so I'm not going to yeah, help you out with your game or anything. I'm just here to show you how you could possibly start this game, okay? But continuing the game is up to you, because you of course have different ideas than I do. Therefore, you should, yeah, you should not 100%ly rely on any videos, okay? Because it is always about your ideas, your concept, and whatsoever. Also, for the new series I'm planning on to create, I have also planned on creating a new, well, maybe a new style of video. So I can't wait. I can already tell that the first episode of this new series is not going to be about scripting right away. So I will most likely explain some stuff to you before you, yeah, before you continue with your scripting journey, let's say. And yeah, so I'm going to present you some stuff. So I'm going to make a little presentation. And I'm going to explain some stuff to you. You have to understand in order to continue as a scripter. I'm just going to leave it as it is. Okay, so let's imagine that this is our map, okay? Let me anchor everything. There's still some stuff to do. I still have to create some invisible borders so the people will not fall off. Okay, so now I'm gonna select every part right here, and then I'm gonna make sure that they are anchored, can collide is true, and that they are invisible. Okay, so now it is only about, yeah, those placeables, the waypoints, of course. Okay, waypoint 1. 1. 2 and 3. So I'm gonna move 3 along with this building. So it is always important that you keep all of those components, okay? So you have to keep the building, the spawn, and of course you'll need some waypoints. And you'll need this placeable thing, okay? So that's important as well. So I'm gonna delete everything, I mean, except for 1. Now we are going to, yeah, set this placeable up. So let's say that you're only able to place along this side. Alright, so where's the spawn location? Okay, it is right here. I'm gonna set the spawn to here. And I'm gonna move this spawn course like this. Okay, now let's test this out. So I'm curious. Let's see if it works. Okay. I'm not able to place here so the issue is probably that, yes, so okay, the placeables are not high enough. Yeah, okay, so the minions seem to work. Wait, so let me fix those placeables. So if this happens to you, then this right here should be a fix. So you have to move them up so that all of the 3 axes are somehow featured. As you can see, it does work now. Okay, so the placement doesn't work now. Okay, so why? Why is that so? Let me explain you why. So if you go to one of those parts, then check the position. So the y-axis is at 4.42. Now, when we go instead of tower, we'll see that this placement works with the body position right here. Wait. Where is it? Where is the body position? Body position destroy. Position value 3. Okay, well, okay, wait. Wait, I have to check this out again. So I thought that the body position at the end is the reason why. No, no, come on. Okay, no, okay, now it doesn't work. Yeah, so it didn't spawn. But why? Because I have no cash. Of course. And I thought that it was some other reason. So let me give myself some cash. And human report is not a valid member of minions art. Script parent. Minions part. Wait, why is it instead of minions? It isn't supposed to be in there. Map. Okay, yeah, so create a separate folder called map and then move all of these parts inside of it. So of course it is not supposed to be inside of minions. I hope that's clear. Okay, now let me place some towers right here. Okay, so I have no cash again. As you can see, the cache saving issue does work as well, so our cache is not being saved or anything. So it always stays within this session, so doesn't influence the cache outside of your session or anything. So yeah, okay, the range is not great enough. Now it hopefully is. Yeah, there we go. My report is not about member of Naruto. Yeah, probably because Naruto has died. Yeah, okay. So that's all about the map creation, and now I'm gonna show you how you can add your map inside of this this whole lobby system. Okay, so let's go inside of the noob map again. I'm gonna publish this one. No, not the noob map, but the lobby. I mean, not the noob map. Come on. Okay, yeah. So publish this one. Very important. And yeah. So let me close this tab. There we go. All right, now let's go inside of menu, map selection, scrolling frame. Right, so this is actually scrolling frame. Why haven't I used UI list layout? Okay, why didn't I use this one before? Can someone tell? Yeah, so basically, you just have to clone this noob maps text button, call it boss map, and then change the text as well if you want to. And now we have to go inside of this. I think it must be the server script. And as you can see, you have a table where it says map TP. Now, make a comma or create a comma. And then add boss map equals, and then the ID, the place ID. So how can you obtain the place ID? Go to Asset Manager, go to Places, right click on your boss map, copy the ID to your clipboard, and then you just add it. And as you can see, it has been added. Now you can get rid of the map selection. Now let me publish this one, and then let me play it once again. Yeah, I mean, just basically test it out. I just want to see if there actually is a teleportation going on. Yeah, so we only have the infinite mode currently. Well, like, we could also work on a story or anything, but I just wanted you to understand the concept. Okay, so boss map, solo. Okay, as you can see, exception while signaling cannot teleport in the Roblox studio. That means that we really wanted to teleport, or we really would have been teleported if it was possible for us, but apparently it is of course not possible to teleport within Studio. Okay guys, so that's it with this video and with the series for near future, let's say. I know that the game is very incomplete, but I just wanted to, make more room for new series, you know? So I've been working on the series for a pretty long time now, and I wanted to thank you for following me, following all of my videos, watching all of my videos of this series, guys. And I have been receiving a lot of messages saying that people have started creating anime tower defense games because of me, because of this series, and I just wanted to say thank you and good luck in future. I hope that you will one day be a great developer, maybe make your breakthrough with an anime tower defense game. And yeah, as I've said, those are just the basics. I'm not here to create the game for you. I just wanted to show you a direction you just need to head to, okay? So those are my last words for this series. For a long time now. I'll maybe get back to it when I want to. Maybe if you guys want to, I don't know. But yeah, thank you for watching this video, guys. Leave a like, subscribe, share this video to all of your friends. Give me feedback in the comment section. Take care and see you in the next video.